Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be playing again with the Try palette by Juvia's Place. Now I've already done a 31 days of eyeshadow palettes look with this palette already, and I will link that video up in the cards above wherever it appears. If you want all the details and specs on this palette. I'm reusing this palette partially because it's a new palette, and two, because I'm out of palettes. I'm waiting on a shipment of some new eyeshadow palettes, but it still hasn't got here. USPS is playing all the games, but I don't blame them. It's holiday season and I know it can get a little hectic, but like even the tracking numbers are not updating right now, so I have no clue where they are. So we're just gonna use palettes that we already have in our collections, and as always everything on my face is listed down below in the description box, as well as a link to the palette, except this is, I believe, sold out and it probably won't be back until like after Christmas, but once they have it back up I will update the link. And yeah, if you want to see how this look turns out, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so I definitely filmed this look and it was not recording, so I'm just gonna walk through the steps that I did to get this look. I'm really sorry guys, I thought it was recording and I was just going and yapping and it wasn't recording. So let's just walk through the steps of how I got this look, and since I already did a look with this it won't be so bad. So first I took a big blending brush and I went into the shade Romo, which is this orange matte shade right here, and I just placed that all over the transition area, which is like right up in here, and I blended and blended and blended. Next I took this e.l.f. crease brush and went into the shade Ashanti, which was that yellowish kind of brown shade in the palette right here, and I focused that in like the V area of my eye, so I'm going to demonstrate what I'm talking about here. I took it and like tapped it here, and then I just blended it into the orange. And I just blend and blend and blend, and then I took my Morphe M503 brush, and to blend that orange and that brown together I kind of just went over the top of it and blended it together, making sure I'm creating that nice V shape. I also took some of that Ashanti shade and just kept going and followed my lower lash line. Next I took this flat e.l.f. shader brush and I dipped into the shade Curla, which is this orange shimmer shade right here. I focused that on the center. I flipped the brush over and dipped into Chaga, and I put that on the inner corner. Next I went in with this Wet n Wild Color Icon lip slash eye pencil, which is not really that good, and I lined my upper lash line with it. I also added this MAC Insta Curl mascara to my bottom and top lashes, and then I added some lashes. I used the TJ Maxx My Lash in the style Classic today. In the video that didn't get filmed, I was explaining that I did not use lash glue to adhere them to my lid because I'm giving my lashes a friggin' break because all of the glue that is taking a toll on my lashes. So I just kind of like went in and pressed them on, so they're not as good as they would normally be, but they're there, you can see them. And so this was the final look, and I'm super sorry that I was acting like a total ditz and forgot to press the record button, but this look was super easy, so I'm glad it happened on a look like this instead of like a super cut crease type of look, because then like I would probably have to redo it all over again, which would have sucked. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this look today. I really appreciate you for watching. As always, if you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, leave me comments down below. Make sure you are subscribed and have that notification bell clicked so that you can be notified each and every time that I post a video here on my channel, which will be every day in the month of December. And while December is really coming to an end here. And with that, guys, I will see you in the next one.